How to stop pop-up ads on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop pop-up ads on Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, let's move forward with the first step. That is to find the app that might be causing the ads problem. So here in the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, you can simply look for recently installed apps that you don't recognize. And here you can uninstall the suspicious app that may show the ads. And with that, moving forward to the second step, that is to turn off the pop-up in your browser. So here, if ads appear while browsing, so here what you can do is you can just go to the Google Chrome. So here, just open the Google Chrome, and once you are inside the Google Chrome, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, you can just tap on settings, and after that you can simply scroll down and tap on site settings. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on pop-ups and redirects, and here you can simply turn it off. And with that, moving forward to the third step, that is to disable the ad notification. So here sometimes ad comes through notification. So here what you can do is you can just go to the settings, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on notification. And now here, once you are inside this section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on app notification. And now here you can just check the app sending spam notification and turn off notification from those apps. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check special app permission. So some apps display ads over the apps. So what you can do is you can just go to the settings, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here, once you're inside this section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on the apps. And now here you simply have to scroll down, and there you can just tap on the app permission, or you can also go back and there you can just tap on additional settings in the app. And there, if you find the option labeled display over other apps, then you can simply disable permission for suspicious apps as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.